Our bird's-eye view starts in the isolated southwest corner of Fiordland. Dusky Sound looks pretty much as it would have to Captain Cook when he landed here in 1773 after 4 months at sea. His party was ecstatic about the place.
The view of the antediluvian forests, which clothed the rock, and of numerous rills of water, which everywhere rolled down the steep declivity, altogether conspired to complete our joy. We looked upon the country at that time as one of the most beautiful which nature, unassisted by art, could produce.
The only way to see much of Fiordland is from the air. The jumbled peaks have resisted man's advances. Here is nature at her mocking grandest. The incongruous power lines by Lake Manapuri lead to the country's largest power station. The coastline is broken by fjords, valleys carved out by glaciers and later invaded by the sea. Sandflies are one of Fiordland's less attractive features. A Maori goddess is said to have put them here to keep men out. The best-known part of Fiordland is Milford, the sound and the track that links it with Lake Te Anau. It's claimed to be the finest walk in the world. Is tackled halfway through the 4-day walk. It offers a breathtaking panorama of the primeval landscape. Geologically, Fiordland is one of the oldest parts of New Zealand. In comparatively recent times, it was wrenched apart from what is now Nelson by the upthrust of the Southern Alps. Two and a half thousand meters above sea level, a balloonist is attempting an ascent that'll take him along the alpine ridge that divides the South Island. Left something behind. There may be a problem with the rarefied air at this height.
That cloud, can you sort of see down through it, or?
It's thick on past the mouth of the glacier, but you can see through it right here, yes.
What's down underneath it? Well, what
perhaps our intrepid balloonist is worried what will happen if a breeze takes him off course. The Tasman Sea is not far away, below the cloud.
Open country. And the cloud is what? How far up's the cloud?
It's on the top of the...
a couple of thousand?
Oh, about 3,000.
Is that?
Yeah.
So, okay.
You got a compass?
I have a compass.
Okay, just take a bearing now, straight across the lip of the glacier here.
The valley carved out by the Fox Glacier takes us back to the west coast. The deep river of ice moves imperceptibly towards the sea. What makes the Fox and Franz Josef glaciers unique is that nowhere else in a temperate zone do glaciers come so close to the sea. A narrow plain at the base of the Alps is the region known as the West Coast. The many short rivers are fed by a high rainfall precipitated by the mountains. This is the home of the native trout, or whitebait.